Mga kababayan, ipagbunyi natin ang nakaraan at isulong ang kinabukasan.
This is ABS-CBN Broadcasting Corporation, a commercial television station transmitting on a 50-kilowatt transmitter output with service number BSD-20060-97, authorizing this station to operate until December 31, 1999. Channel 2 studios and transmitter are located at the ABS-CBN Broadcast Center on Sergeant Esguerra Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City, Philippines. Channel 2 engineering is headed by the following personnel, duly licensed by the Professional Regulations Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Marcos A. Elizon, EC number 256, Eduardo Flores, EC number 1352, with first-class radio telephone operators Herman Flaviano, 1PNCR 12239, Ernesto Balikin, 1PNCR 18482, Franklin Mira, 1PNCR 10316, Carlos Nabarte, 1PNCR 5872, Jose Olier, 1PNCR 4345, second-class telegraph operator Armando Palmico, 2PNCR 6364, and electronics and communications engineers Marco Sala, EC number 1922, Roland Garavito, EC number 12135, and Robert Del Rosario, EC number 15403. This is ABS-CBN Channel 2, now signing off. Ladies and gentlemen, in a few seconds, we will be on simultaneous nationwide satellite broadcast. Please stand by.
Pilit nating iniwasan ganitong mga tanungan, at kahit di sigurado, tinuloy natin ang ating ugnayan. Sabi ko na nga ba, dapat nung una pa lamang, di na umasa, di naniwala, hindi tayo pwede. Pinagtagpo pero di tinadhana, hindi na posible. Bakit di pa natin aminin? Dahil sa una pa lamang alam natin wala tayong laban. Sabi ko na nga ba, dapat nung una pa lamang di na umasa.